Here we have a Cd4e out of a 2011 Mariner, which is for all intents and purposes the same vehicle as a Ford Escape. Vehicle was neutraling out on the customer. Did manage to get it here, but we can see that this has pretty extensive parts requirements. There's the metal in the bottom of the transmission. You see that the magnet is completely loaded up with metal. What happened, the gear train failed. You can see that the teeth here are damaged, and so that gear train material winds up getting ingested and going throughout the transmission. What came first? Potentially this thrust bearing. That's captured thrust bearing inside the planet carrier failed. When it did, pieces of the thrust bearing wind up migrating into the gear train and do additional damage to these components. Here we see that this one ring gear assembly, this is chewed up. So we see a bit of hard parts requirements throughout the transmission. This drum, this is a combination forward and direct clutch drum. This drum is very problematic. They actually blow the ring land right off of the drum due to an unregulated line pressure condition that is remedied with a Transco recalibration update package that gets installed in the valve body. So gonna get a parts assessment made up here and determine whether it's more economical to rebuild this transmission or replace it with a remanufactured transmission.